Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the easiest way I know how you can edit PLR videos, just to make it unique to you. But before we go ahead and do it, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, now in this part of the video, don't anticipate this taking too long. So what we're going to be doing is, I'm in my video editing software. It is called Camtasia, but most video softwares will be very similar in a lot of ways. Okay, first thing we need to do is change the sound up a little bit. As you can see, if you look at this timeline just down here, you'll notice that the wavelengths down here are very short, which means it's really very quiet. So what we need to do is click on it here, and then go over here to the right hand side where you've got the microphone button. We click on that, and we're going to expand that all the way up to the top. As you can see, if you look down here, that has now made that substantially louder. Now the reason we're doing that is so as we can now export that where we originally got it from. We're going to go local file, now export that as an MP4. We want to put that where the other one was. So in just a moment when it starts thinking, and I know that this one here is called intro. So I'm going to find where I got it from, which would be in my E folder, my videos down here, unrestricted video, unrestricted PLR, there is. Go down here, unrestricted PLR videos, and I know that this is course number 3, and we'll just put it in here with this one. And for the moment, I'll pause the video, and once this is finished uploading into that folder, we'll continue on. Okay, now the next part of this video is we're going to be going over here to otter.ai, and what we're going to do is we're going to now extract the volume, or should I say we're going to now extract the video, and we're going to transcribe the video so as we can take some information from that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to now import the video. We're going to find the file from the browser here. We're going to go over here. I've already gone looking for it before. I know it's called intro, so we'll grab this one, and we will now import this one straight into here. And it's done. And in just a minute or two, this one will go across to here, and it should be very close to being ready. It's processing. It shouldn't take too long. It's a very short video, probably less than a minute really, so it shouldn't take too long. Give me 1 second to have a look at it. Okay, welcome to this video course in which we're going to, okay, let's just press play. Okay, so let's edit this for a minute. Okay. All right. Right. Okay, so let's go here. Let's edit this now. So what we're going to do is, I notice over here, forum, FORUM, here we are. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is we're just going to be extracting a little bit of information. So we're talking about to build your business using, how to build your business using the Warrior Forum. That's going to be, oops, daisy. Copy that, go Control C. And then this side, this is a site where a lot of internet marketers got their start. Also a great way to network and get to know other marketers. Alright, so we're going to start off with this one, right? So we're just going to Control C. And we're now going to go over to this section just here. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to extract that information. We're going to get there, we're going to go here, separate the audio from the video, so we're going to go like that, and there it's now separated. I'm now going to be removing this, and we're going to go over here to Videvo. And we're going to grab some stock video footage from that. And we're also going to go to Pexels and .com, yep. And we're also going to go to Pixabay. We're going to go like that. So, first thing we're going to do is go here. We're going to just grab some video footage, and we're going to go to the Warrior Forum. Just go Warrior, see what it comes up with. Or another thing you can do is go to the Warrior Forum and take a stock video, take a stock image of you from yourself. So just log in if you have an account here already. I'm just going to quickly log in. And there we have it. Go to Marketplace, go away from there, go to Marketplace, and that will do. And then all we need to do is take an image of this. Now I have this little piece of software just here, and I'm just going to copy it over the top of here. Oops, the daisy too far. Just copy over the top of that and use that as my main image to put into my video. So I'm just going to hit save. I'm going to be putting that where I had it originally, which will be in the E folder under unrestricted PLR, unrestricted PLR videos, video number 3. We'll call this one Warrior Forum. And we can just hit save. And there we have it. So all we need to do now is go over here, get rid of that, import, go back to where it was, and it was in this one, or was it? Might have been here. There we are. Click on that. Wait for that to wake up. Pop that directly on top. And we can expand this up so as it fits inside this area just here. Make that look like it's all part of it. There we are. And there we have it. Now, if we want to, we can expand that up to take up that entire thing. Now what we're going to do is, all we're going to do is add a caption here. Now I'm going to go over here to annotations, I'm going to add a all, and I think I'll choose this one here. Drag that across to the screen here, and at the appropriate time, I'm just going to delete that for the moment. Doesn't need to be this very second. We're going to hit play. Okay, so we're going to be putting it there, how to build your business using YA. So I'm just going to expand that up a little bit. Okay. There we go. So you can even use just that. Go here, change the color, the font, do Control V, just change it up a little bit to make it look a bit nicer. So you also too, you've updated it, because the original way it was done, it was actually done with the older version of the video, or should I say the older version of the site. And if you've been a member of the Warrior Forum, you'll notice that that was an older version of the site, and it will devalue the value of that particular video. However, as you go through, right, so I'm not going to go any further with that. So that's the first part. Now that's the sort of thing you can do all throughout. Now if you want to add some B-roll to it, we've got places like Videvo, we've got Pexels, we've got, which also you want to be able to make sure you go to the video section there at Pexels, and over here at Pixabay you want to make sure you go to the video section there. And this way, if you have some stock footage of whatever it is they're talking about, or whatever you want to be able to do, or if you want to go in and take a photo of your own stuff, you can do that as well. Or you can follow along and you can just do exactly what he's saying, so as you can just add your own images. It can be more updated, it can then be a lot more it can then be a lot newer. And this way people can go, oh, okay, this is modern information. Because this is obviously very old, which is why it's unrestricted PLR. And let me show you something. I've got a license just here, which I will bring up. I'll just do that. It's one of my videos, so it's one of my unrestricted videos. It's actually private label rights in this particular case. And one of the things I made sure I had here is can change the main product. Okay, so this is from Webstar PLR, which is my site, webstarplronline.com, and you can go visit my site just there and pick up some awesome PLR. So this particular one is, you pretty much do whatever you like with it, just you can't sell private label rights, can't give it away, can't be added to free membership sites, and can't claim copyright. But that's about it. Pretty much you can do whatever else you want to do with it. And that is it. So that is essentially how you can edit the video. It's really simple, really easy, and it's just a matter of going through the videos, picking out points, throwing in some slides, throwing in some annotations, adding in some of your own captions, and making it more unique to you. Now, other things, if you're not wanting to do all that and you just want to brand it of your own, what you can do is you can add your own logo here, or you can add your own images. You can add all sorts of things in here just to make it unique to you. Okay guys, That's all there is for this particular video. Hey, listen, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not leave a comment down below? Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.